Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off auto scan app daily on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if your Samsung Galaxy A54 scans your app every day and I want to stop this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or turn off auto scanning app daily on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Once you select security and privacy, locate and click on app security. Now click on app protection. Under app protection, click on the three dots at the top right and then click on app protection settings. On the app protection settings, if app protection settings is turned off, go ahead and turn it on. Then it should say turn on app protection to get additional defense against viruses and spyware. Now to turn off auto scan app daily on your Samsung Galaxy A54, just go ahead and disable this. If you also want to turn off auto scan while installing application, disable this and then you're good. So that's exactly how you can easily turn off auto scan apps daily on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.